DPF and DEF Delete Kit installation in Kubota M5-111. Lift up the hood of the tractor in order to gain access to the DPF. In certain cases, removing the hood may make installation easier, especially if you're about to fit the straight pipe. Remove the side cover for easier access to the NOx sensors. Locate the differential pressure sensor. Locate the two NOx sensors positioned directly behind the side cover. Locate the three temperature sensors. Notice that the first and second sensors are positioned close to each other, with hoses connected to the beginning and middle of the exhaust filter. The third sensor is located near the end of the exhaust filter. Disconnect the differential pressure sensor and connect the plug from the harness. Disconnect three temperature sensors. Connect the plugs from the harness in place of three temperature sensors. Disconnect both NOx sensors and connect the plug from the harness in place of either one. Locate the DEF After Treatment Control Module plug. It can be found beneath the plastic cover in front of the particulate filter. Unplug it and leave it unplugged. The device emulates the entire DEF system, which is why both the DEF ACM plug and NOx sensors must be disconnected. This ensures the engine control unit receives signals only from the emulator, rather than conflicting signals from both the emulator and the original sensors. Connect the emulator to the wiring harness. Beneath the emulator casing, you'll find LED lights that indicate the device is functioning correctly.